What is the approximate weight of the human brain? A. 1 kilogram. B. 1.5 kilogram. C. 2 kilogram. D. 2.5 kilogram. Answer B. 1.5 kilogram. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic life functions such as breathing and heart rate? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Thalamus. Answer C. Medulla oblongata. What is the outermost layer of the brain called? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla. C. Cortex. D. Hypothalamus. Answer C. Cortex. Which part of the brain is associated with reasoning, planning, and problem solving? A. Frontal lobe. B. Temporal lobe. C. Occipital lobe. D. Parietal lobe. Answer A. Frontal lobe. What is the primary function of the cerebellum? A. Regulation of body temperature. B. Coordination of movement and balance. C. Processing of visual information. D. Memory formation. Answer B. Coordination of movement and balance. What is the name of the chemical messengers that transmit signals between neurons in the brain? A. Enzymes. B. Hormones. C. Neurotransmitters. D. Antigens. Answer C. Neurotransmitters. Which hemisphere of the brain is typically associated with language processing in most individuals? A. Right hemisphere. B. Left hemisphere. C. Both hemispheres. D. Frontal hemisphere. Answer B. Left hemisphere. What is the term for the junction between two neurons where communication occurs? A. Synapse. B. Axon. C. Dendrite. D. Nucleus. Answer A. Synapse. What is the main function of the hippocampus? A. Regulation of emotions. B. Control of body movements. C. Formation of new memories. D. Coordination of sensory information. Answer C. Formation of new memories. Which part of the brain is responsible for processing visual information? A. Temporal lobe. B. Occipital lobe. C. Frontal lobe. D. Parietal lobe. Answer B. Occipital lobe. What is the role of the amygdala in the brain? A. Regulation of sleep patterns. B. Processing of auditory information. C. Control of voluntary movements. D. Emotional processing and memory formation. Answer D. Emotional processing and memory formation. Which neurotransmitter is often associated with feelings of pleasure and revolt? A. Serotonin. B. Dopamine. C. Acetylcholine. D. GABA. Answer B. Dopamine. What is the name of the large bundle of nerve fibers that connects the two hemispheres of the brain? A. Corpus callosum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Cerebellar peduncle. D. Spinal cord. Answer A. Corpus callosum. Which part of the brain plays a key role in regulating emotions and forming memories? A. Amygdala. B. Hippocampus. C. Cerebellum. D. Thalamus. Answer A. Amygdala. What is the condition called when the brain experiences a sudden disruption in its blood supply, leading to damage of brain tissue? A. Meningitis. B. Encephalitis. C. Stroke. D. Alzheimer's disease. Comment the answer in comment section. For more interesting topics, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.